Hi there, welcome to Homeschooling with Hera. Today I have brought you a pre-writing Montessori inspired exercise. You can prepare your child for writing by making these cards. This is equally beneficial for homeschoolers and for teachers. You can easily make these cards at home with no time. It's a simple DIY. I have used some cereal boxes like this, and this material is felt. You can get it from the stationeries like these. It is available in different colors. You can also make this with sandpaper or zero number, but be sure that it's very fine before you paste it on something so it will not harm the fingers of kids. Okay, just need to write the letter over it, either print or cursive, and then cut out it and paste it over some cards or hard foamy sheet as well, whatever you want. I suggest cursive writing is better to give to the young kids. Why? For this I will make another video where I compare cursive and print writing. So let me show you how to do this exercise, and later I will show you how to make it as well. You can introduce 3 letters to a child at a time. I have taken A, and A. A is in blue because it's a vowel, and I have kept all the consonants in red. Start the exercise by telling the child to rub his hand. This is to increase the sensation, and then tell him how to fold his fingers to trace the letter. The reason behind the rubbing is that the muscular memory of the kids is very sharp than the audio and the visual memory, and it will help to register the formation of the letter in the mind of the kids. Now just close your fingers like this and show him how to trace the letter. Keep one thing in mind, that don't speak while you do something and don't do while you speak something, because the concentration of the child can drift very easily. Now show him the proper way how to trace the letter. Once, twice, and maybe thrice. Then you can ask him that would you like to repeat this? As if he says yes, give him the chance and let him do it on his own, but do not forget to mention that what is the proper way. Same goes with the and l sound. You show the proper formation and ask the child to repeat it. Later on, you can give the names of these letters to the child as well. This is a Montessori method for introduction of letters. We also give a 3-period lesson for this. Maybe in another video I will tell you about the 3-period lesson. So you can introduce letter like this either with the cursive script or with the print script. But I will prefer to show you how did I make this. It's very simple DIY. Just take any cardboard, cereal boxes, or you can buy it. Cut it into pieces of same size for making the base. Then you need some felt to write the letters over it, and then you can paste it. Try to take the stiff one rather than this. You can also use sandpaper if you have got, and then trace the letter and just paste over these cards. So now it's time for tracing. Be careful about the size, that if you are making the grass letter like A, the size should be same. I am tracing here the letter K. Now it's time to cut it. K is ready. Now we only have to paste it over this card with the glue. You can use white glue for this, and the card is ready. It will not take so much time. You can make 3 letters at a time and give it to the child, and when he is master of these, you can change the letters. A very simple DIY pre-writing technique which you can follow with your kids. I hope you have liked it. Do try it with your kid and tell me in the comments. At the end of today's video, I shall see you soon with another video. Till then, bye bye.